Hey everyone, this is Chef Bryan from Harris Academy, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this caramel fudge. It's a delightfully sweet and tasty treat. Hope you like it. Let's get started. So here we have whipping cream, sugar, glucose, condensed milk, vanilla essence and unsalted butter. First of all, we're starting with the whipping cream first. Add in the vanilla essence and bring to boil. Secondly, add in your sugar, glucose, condensed milk, and continue to boil until soft ball stage, around 116 degrees Celsius. Lastly, add in your unsalted butter. Then pour into the square mold and let set for 2 hours in room temperature. Lastly, just unmold it and cut into thick square. Then it's done. So it's done, our caramel fudge. So tasty.